Morning, Steve Ray in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, everyone thought that overnight prices would be a little bit weaker because of the weakness that we saw last week and some of the negative technical signals that you're getting in the marketplace. There's also a thought process that assuming normal South American weather and the farmers pick up some of their cash selling here in the United States in the new tax year, that we would see lower prices. But actually we're up. Beans up about 10 to 11 cents, corn 6 to 8, wheat 9 to 10 cents. Some people call that short covering. Link it maybe to the cold weather. It's minus 2 degrees here in Chicago. It's going to even get colder on Wednesday. The extended outlook is for some moderation in temperatures to get back close to normal in 11 to 15 days. But we still don't have a lot of precip for much of the heart of the Midwest. There's no real strong correlation between dry Decembers and dry spring and summers, but that could be offering some support if there's logistic issues because of the cold weather. The wheat crop is in dormancy. Not too many people think there's going to be concern about that, but anyway, it might be offering some support to the wheat. Overnight, Chinese stock markets are up. They've made some easing of some price controls in China that could offer some support to the demand down the road. That might be helping the markets too. And then we have the key January 12th report in which the USDA will give us the final crop numbers here in the United States for 14. They'll give us the first acreage estimate for winter wheat acres for 15. They'll come up with DEES-1 stocks here in the United States, and they'll also put together a new supply and demand both for U.S. and world. As far as U.S. numbers are concerned, the market looks for a little bit higher demand for beans. The big key is whether or not they change the acres for last year's corn and bean crop, and if that's going to bring the carryouts down. Funds in general, long term, getting a little negative to the beans because of the switch from demand from U.S. to South America, and no South American weather problems to talk of. And also they're a little friendly to the corn market because of the potential for less acres here in the United States and a trend yield bringing the carryout down. And wheat, they're kind of neutral. The technical signals are a little negative right now because of the slow demand in the world wheat trade. But we just don't know exactly what we're going to have as far as world crop numbers next year and what Russia's going to do in their export program. So all in all, a little bit higher trade, and we'll see how much of a bounce we get here and some short covering after last week's losses. Outside markets, dollar's stronger, crude lower, so more of the same in those markets. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, if you have some social media questions that you would like to ask us, please send them in and we'll get you an answer back as soon as we can.
That's his favorite place. She was at the football game last night. 25 UVA.